Hi friends, now I am going to some exclusive collection about animal. Here is the collection of about animals. Now I am going one by one. First of all, here is the tiger, red tiger. This is a red tiger, exclusive powerful hero of jungle. Here is the lion. It's called lion, red lion. He is big mouth. He is very hungry. This is a leopard, big leopard. So beautiful looking and nice collection. Uh, Here is the another tiger, red tiger. This is one pair tiger, so big and beautiful. Here is one kind of horse. This is the horse. Powerful and big horse, so look nice. Here is a deer. Mother deer. Here is the another horse. It is big and red, looking good. Wow, this is the exclusive collection deer. His thorn is so big. This is the best exclusive hero. Here is another lion. Wow, this is big elephant. Here is a crocodile. crocodile. His tail is so long and his mouth is so big. He is very hungry. Now you can call name. Here is the one pair tiger, one pair lion, and one is leopard. Here is deer. Here is horse. Here is another deer. This is zebra. This is a zebra. It is white and black. It is a horse. This is a horse. Here is a big elephant. It's so big and his teeth is so big. Here is crocodile. His mouth is so big and his tail is so long. All the animals are very hungry. Hi friends, do you have any food to them? Please comments. And you can see another. Here are some animals and duck, white duck, and another white duck. Here is the cow and his son. Here is another cow and his son. Here is the sheep and his two son. Here is the big and big Hulk. Here is the big and big Hulk. And here is the some soldiers are guard them. Here is one soldier. Here is a soldier. Here is a soldier. Here is a another of these animals. You can see here a Spider-Man. You can hear another Spider-Man. Two Spider-Man. And one is Superman. One is Superman. Here is another Hulk. They are two brothers. He is big and he is younger. Two brothers. They are watching this horse animal here. My friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comments. Thank you.